So here we have the BMW 320i on an 18 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 4-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot space first of all. As we approach the back of the car you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space available in there as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in, and as I mentioned, we'll run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the fuel gauge. We then have the speedometer, rev counter, and coolant temperature gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles of the car there, 76,222. You can change the information that's displayed directly above that by pressing a button on the end of the indicator stalk. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we've got cruise control, speed limiter, our phone controls as well. And into the centre, the main screen for the car. So firstly, the movement that you see me making up on the screen here is being done using the iDrive system. This dial specifically, although the buttons that surround it will take you into the menus highlighted on them. So for example, if I pressed map, we would have our satellite navigation on the screen. This is BMW's business nav, really easy system to use. Using the dial, you could rotate to any of those, including navigation. You can pair your phone under the communication heading. We've got a various couple of menus there with vehicle settings, and then media and radio, which is where you'll find your DAB, FM radio, Bluetooth audio so you can stream your music wirelessly, and USB input as well, as you can see. Below that, we've got our hazard warning lights, deadlock so you can lock and unlock the car doors from the outside. We have the volume for your stereo, the CD player, dual zone climate control so you can adjust the driver and passenger temperatures, the fan speed up and down. You can determine where you'd like the air distributed once it enters the car. When you're happy with those settings, that's your air conditioning now on. Same button will turn it off again, or hit auto. The car will now take full control of the fan speed and direction of the air for you to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for, and you can override that whenever you wish to. We have 2 cup holders and a 12-volt charging socket, and of course, as you just see, you can close that over should you wish to. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. We can turn off the traction control from here and on again, of course, and change the driving setup of the car from Sport to Comfort and Eco Pro. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.